Looking for more ways to make someone uncomfortable in a conversation? Here are 10 additional psychological tricks. 1. Over-explain. Give excessive details to make the other person lose interest and feel awkward. 2. Use a monotone voice. Speak without any emotion to create a dull and uncomfortable atmosphere. 3. Ignore social cues. Deliberately overlook their attempts to end the conversation or change the topic. 4. Act overly familiar. Behave as if you are very close friends when you're not. 5. Whisper. Speak very softly, making them strain to hear you. 6. Constantly ask them to repeat what they said, pretending you didn't hear. 7. Stare at their mouth. Focus your gaze on their mouth instead of their eyes. 8. Laugh inappropriately. Laugh at serious moments or comments to throw them off. 9. Use complex jargon. Throw in technical terms or jargon that they may not understand. 10. Avoid eye contact. Consistently look away, making them feel ignored and uneasy. Remember, these tricks should be used ethically and responsibly to understand psychological impacts, not to harm or manipulate.